My AT&T Space Black KEYone. You can see it's connected to LTE band 12. It's negative 117. It kind of goes between negative 118 to negative 114. Just sitting here. I'm in my basement. Not the best of signal, but enough to make a phone call reliably. It usually wouldn't drop out with this type of signal. But if I take my hand, and I've already showed this before, but I bought a case now, but I'm going to take my hand and put it on the bottom, and when I do that, you're going to see it drop pretty dramatically. Right, negative 130, I take my hand off, and then it recovers. So what I did was I bought, thank you to BB10 on the forums for recommending this particular case here. Anyway, cheap, thin, plastic, clear case. And I'm going to go ahead, to the best of my ability, I'm going to put the phone down one sec while I fit this thing in here. Okay. So now it's in there. You see the signal. And I expect some drop off, but I don't expect it to get down to the negative 130. So I'm going to pick it up now. I pick it up. My hand is around the bottom. Okay, I'll put it back down. Perfect, right? So the case has solved my issue with this KEYone and the reception of putting your hand on the bottom here, around the bottom where the antenna band is, gets in the way and will cut down the reception to the point that you can't use the phone, which is what I was experiencing. This cheap case solved that. Here I think there's an engineering issue that BlackBerry Mobile needs to address and should address for KEYone owners, because this is a flaw, a design flaw, based on what I'm seeing here. And I don't know about LTE, CDMA, so if you're on Sprint or Verizon, I don't know what your experience is, but I know when you're on LTE on a GSM network in the United States, you get this problem. I'm assuming it's going to be elsewhere too. So bottom line is, I'm not returning the device. I love the device too much. I wish BlackBerry Mobile would step up, come out, make a statement on it saying, hey, you know what, we didn't learn from AntennaGate back in the iPhone 4 years ago. We didn't learn from that, and we didn't think about that when we designed this. And that's something that needs to be corrected in the future. I don't know there's any way to correct this from software. I highly doubt software could fix it, but I know that a cheap case solved it. So maybe BlackBerry Mobile can hand out cases much like Apple did back during Applegate. Be a nice gesture for all of us that have purchased the BlackBerry KEYone. There you go. Your results may vary, but I hope that you get relief by having a case that puts a barrier between your big meat mitten and the antenna band. Good luck.